Magandang hapon po ng October 14, 2023 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng October 14, 2023 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, October 14, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5pm. 'See you again later for 9pm result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for October 14, 2023, Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 5.9 million pesos for Saturday, October 14, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for October 14, 2023, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.